We're making a copycat recipe. We're making a Filet-O-Fish sandwich. Give me back that fish. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back. All right, so we got our panko breadcrumbs, and we're just gonna give them a spin, just kind of make them a little bit smaller. So once that's done, we got our ingredients. We got some frozen cod, 2 eggs, milk, our Cajun seasoning. So we're just gonna hit the panko breadcrumbs with our Cajun seasoning, crack 2 eggs, then in with a 1/4 cup of milk. Then we're gonna go ahead and season up our eggs. Give it a little salt, and we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some Cajun seasoning. The recipe will be down below. And then just give this a quick spin. And then once your eggs are done, this is an easy one. You gotta go ahead and make this. This is so simple. And it's good too. So go ahead, take your cod patties, go in with the flour. Now the flour is gonna help make the eggs stick. And then we're gonna go into the panko crumbs after we go into the egg. And let that drip off. And then down into the panko crumbs. And get that panko crumbs everywhere. Give it a press down. Make sure it's on there really good. And this is an easy one, guys. Now, we gotta let this sit for at least 3 to 5 minutes until your oil heats up. And now we're gonna go ahead and make a tartar sauce. Guys, this is a real quick, easy tartar sauce, and you can add whatever you want. And I'm just going really simple. I'm going with relish, sweet relish, and mayonnaise. That's it. I'm not, and I do it to the eyeball. There's no measurements for this. So it's kind of like equal amounts. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of relish. Now you can add paprika, smoked paprika for a little smoky taste, maybe some granulated garlic, Lowry's, jazz it up any way you want. Now use trial and error. So I'm going back in with a little bit more because it needs a little bit more relish. And that's it, guys. You got the tartar sauce. You don't have to buy that stuff pre-made. You can whip this up real quick yourself. All right, so that's done. And we're gonna put this in the refrigerator until we're ready. All right, our oil is at 330. And that's it. You don't want to get any hotter than that because then the outside will burn and the inside won't be cooked. So now once these are all in, we're gonna go ahead and give them a nice little flip. About 3 minutes in. And guys, this should take no more than 7 minutes for you to cook it. So now with another 3 minutes or so on that side. And guys, we're done. Now I did flip these one more time, but these are coming out. All right, now it's time to set up our plate. All right, so down we go with our American cheese. Just 1 slice. Guess you could put 2 if you like. Down with our cod, our fried cod. And then we're going down with our tartar sauce. And don't forget, we made that tartar sauce ourselves. Not something that's been sitting on the shelf for 2 months. Tastes so much better fresh. And now it's time for our flyover. Guys, this came out good. This is a nice, easy one. Looking for a fish recipe on Friday? Well, here you go. Guys, down with some French fries. Gotta have some ketchup. Guys, this is easy, schmeezy. You gotta do it. It tastes good. And save yourself a little bit of money. And do I say it? Should I say it? Y'all know what's about to go down. Give us a like, a subscribe, and everyday cooking, Dad cooking every single day. Check out these other videos and let's get cooking.